Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to display current activity as a status message on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on privacy and safety, and you will find display current activity as a status message. Click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to display current activity as a status message on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.